Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the TikTok login problem with Facebook. Now, first up, what you need to do is to, of course, ensure that your Facebook is linked. So just head to your TikTok app and go to your profile. From there, tap the three dots or lines in the top right corner to access settings. And then go to Manage Account and ensure your Facebook account is linked. Next, you can also make sure that both apps, namely TikTok and Facebook, are running the latest versions. So just check on your App Store or Google Play Store to see if there are any pending updates. Next, you can also try clearing your phone's cache. So for Android, just head to Settings, Apps, TikTok, Storage, and then Clear Cache. For iOS, you might need to reinstall the app to clear the cache. Next, try re-logging in to Facebook. So just open the Facebook app and log out, then log back in. Afterwards, try logging into TikTok with Facebook once more. Another thing you can do is to ensure TikTok has the necessary permissions to access your Facebook account. Just head to Facebook settings, apps and websites, logged in with Facebook, and check if TikTok is listed and has the required permissions. Next, you can also try using a different device. So just try to log in on a different device to see if the issue persists. If none of these steps work, then it might be best to contact TikTok support for further assistance. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.